So this is number 4 so far. We launched at 6. It's again, no, 6:30. Doing pretty good so far. We got 3 fish for 8.17.
You can edit.
Edit just the first 3 seconds. That's number 5. That's a limit, and none of them are small. I think the smallest one was what, 187?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
I'm not sure if my bait's in the water.
we're kind of fishing around some areas that are full of some good structure, but
Thick with CC.
it's thick with fish and weeds. But so far, fishing's good. It's been about.
Definitely not in the water.
It has been 50 minutes, and we got us a limit. We got 2 that are. Yours and mine are the exact same size. We got 13.5 pounds in 50 minutes. We got another 8 hours to go.
How much do we have?
13.5. Wish us luck. I watched her eat it and was like, God, that's the I know that when we release our fish today, we're going to bring them back to right here. And hopefully get her again tomorrow. Oh yeah, we upgrading. I kind of lost this one earlier. It folded my Senko over.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
No.
Quincy got her upset enough that she finally ate mine.
That's my job in this relationship. I just get them pissed off, and then Austin throws some little sissy bait in there, and they eat it.
I was throwing a real one this time.
Kind of.
I wasn't making her as mad as you were.
Well, that was all one cast that
I
she...
didn't weigh that one.
Well, I know it's bigger than one of the ones that's in there, at least. Whatever you do, do not drop her. That was like all one cast that I got her worked up.
You just kept on banging it off of that one weed.
I just had it hanging, and she'd swim under it, and I'd hit her in the head with it over and over, and she's like, I'll eat something, leave me alone.
She's not as big as we thought.
No, it's 3 something though.
363.
That gets us to 15.
257. 15.3. Day 1, we ended up with what, 15.6?
Yeah.
And we got 5 fish that are all the exact same size. So, the area where we caught most of them, we're going to let them go. Come back again and hopefully something's hungry tomorrow. Today we've got 2. Quincy's got both of them so far, and number 2 is significantly better than number 1.
Yeah, number 1, we didn't feel the need to video. No.
What was that one, 2.5? I thought it was going to be even bigger. Spread the boat. What is it?
295.
295?
Yeah.
3 pounders? Let's go. Nice one. It's actually number 2 for the day. First one we caught on a crankbait. Second one's on a Senko. $2-pounder. 94. 2 fish, 3.5. Looking for a little more quality. Numbers are there though, that's fun. Not bad. 218. Let's go. Got Uncle Tim's shirt on today. So, out on Pend Orielle again, fishing a real popular spot out here that I haven't fished yet. First one of the day is a brown one. That's what I'm trying to find, is some spots to come catch some more brown ones. And he comes in at 182, just under 2 pounds. Not a bad fish, not a giant, but it's a good start. Really good looking smallmouth. See you, bud. So I got a tournament coming up, not this weekend, but next weekend. So it's Wednesday, June 16th. So between now and the next Saturday, we'll see what we can find out here. So long species this time. First one of these I found out here on the big lake. And man, did I thought I had a big largemouth. Ooh, finally found a green one. Not huge, but bigger than anything we got so far. Bass number 3 for the day. $2.11. Really skinny, big head. 5 pounds for 3 fish, not too hot. I'm gonna guess there's a bed right there, folks. Right back up there and found us another one. So now in a tournament, I'd have my 2 largemouth, which I could cull for another largemouth. But if I were to catch another largemouth right now, I could not have 3 in my limit. I only have 2 out here. This one's actually smaller. It's way shorter, but way thicker. 202. Not bad. This video is not going to be done until after this tournament, so I'm going to say something that I have found about these fish that I think is pretty weird. Is they only sit on the shallowest pillar on these docks. They don't sit on the second pillar out, they don't sit on the deep ones, they don't sit anywhere on these docks except for the very first pillar. And the only thing I can get them to eat is a wacky rig Senko. I have tried everything else. Open water, I can get them to eat crankbait, swim bait, fun stuff. Around these docks, wacky rig Senko. That is it. You gotta skip it up under the dock quite a ways. Oh, Fisherman's Island. Yeah, wonderful. Oh, man, that got me excited. Really was it was like a real fish. These, marking off the species list today. So, caught us a decent smaller right here. Wait in a second. This is gonna cull for me. Here's what I caught him on. 3/8 Kitech. Here is what it spit 2 of out while I was reeling it in. That is significantly bigger than the bait that I'm throwing. So we might have to upsize the swim bait, but they are out here smoking these little baby coconuts. So that's gonna go back in the lake. Grab the scale real quick. $189. 9.5 pounds for my limit right now. I gotta get a big bite. I got 4 pounds. So we're out here, spot number 1. We already got 2 in the box that are somewhere 2.5 to 3 pounds. Good ones. Fishing the Ponderay TBF tournament. And we're gonna see if we can't get 5 off of here, and then we're gonna go big largemouth hunting if I get 5 good ones. Number 4, my first tagged one out here. He's got 2 numbers actually, which seems odd, but we will try and get a good picture of that and contact them later. We just put number 5 in the boat. Got 11.5 pounds to start the day. Honestly, about what I thought I could do, if not a little better. It's fast and furious this morning, which is sweet.